This is our lumpiang Shanghai or pork egg roll version. This is Sebastian's favorite. I will show you how I make it for him. This is the minced pork, garlic, onions, raisin, and 1 carrot. Okay. So, halu-haluin lang natin siya. Dapat siguro mas magandang spatula yung gamit. And then, tansya-tansya lang with the tansya-tansya. This is just the regular white salt. Actually, it's iodized salt. And then, black pepper. The powdered one. I used Bayera black pepper. May raisin siya kasi para magkaroon siya ng sweetness din. Mas masarap kasi to. Natutunan ko to kay Jingay. And then, sabi niya, gumawa daw ng lumpia si Dulcie. And yung friend niya yon, may raisin ang sarap. O, kaya ginaya din natin. Yan. So, yung mga versions natin, yung mga family version natin ng mga dishes, nai-improve siya sa paglipas ng panahon because of the people that we meet na taga-ibang region din. In the Philippines, ayan, ganyan. Kunyari, mga lutong Kapampangan. Yung pinakbet nila is different from Ilocano pinakbet. Iba rin ang pinakbet nila or ano ba yung tawag nila sa Visayas? I think it's laswa. Yung dinengdeng, ganun, iba-iba. Tapos, mas mai-improve mo yung lasa ng own version mo, yung family recipe nyo. Kapag dinagdag mo or minix mo with other regions versions. Oh, there. I think it's already. You just add 1 egg. Nag-request kasi si Basti nito. Okay. So, gusto ko pag nagre-request yun ng food. Favorite niya to. Okay. Ewan ko ba sa batang yun, puro prito-pritong niluluto. Well, he loves sinigang. Sinigang, di siya masama nilaga and tinola like me. Ang comfort food ko kasi is the nilagang baboy. Or nilagang baka. Hindi ako masyado dun sa mga soury soup. Well, I love tom yum. When I started to liking different Asian cuisine, Asian dishes. Okay. I guess it's okay na. Let's just add, baka kulang yung saltiness niya. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay. And then, dito sa Dubai, ang gamit naming spring roll wrapper is eto. Sabi ni Julina, eto daw yung best na gamitin kasi hindi siya naghihiwa-hiwalay. So, we will be wrapping this in a while. Okay, siguro to. Okay na yan. So, this is how you wrap the lumpia using the sweets wrapper. Let's put on the meat. Yan, ano lang yan ha, water lang. Unlike dun sa dati kong alam na it's egg white, hindi daw. So, let's roll it like this. And then stick the edges. And then roll it again. Ganyan. O diba? Let's learn together talaga. This is my first time to do it. And yes, there it goes. Very good. Then on medium heat, you fry the first side for 7 minutes and 5 minutes on the other side. Then voila! Our lumpia or egg roll is ready to serve.